Where is it?
Now all of a sudden he doesn't want to go.
Come on, let's go. Oh, look, now he's digging.
Oh my god, his face has sand.
Look at the tail wagging too.
What's down there, buddy? Please don't dig up a body, that's all I have.
Yeah, really. If you find a lottery ticket, it's mine.
Oh my god,
How
you
funny
sand
is
all
that?
over
I
his
know.
face.
How funny is that?
Felix, go run.
He's too busy. Maybe he's digging down deep so he can lie in there. All right. And this is the reason why I don't have grass in my backyard. What'd I tell you?
Oh.
Didn't I tell you?
Oh my god.
He did that to lie down.
Look at him. Oh my god, he just laid down. And what he made.
What a right. You are a funny dog, mister.
Oh, that's going to be in my car now. Oh my god.
You are one funny dog.